Hi, I'm Dr. Srinivas. I'm the Academic Director of MedSkills. MedSkills is a program which is designed to accommodate the students who have discontinued their education at 12th level or they're not able to continue their degree and complete their degree. This course is aimed at bridging the gap which is widely present in the hospitals. Like every hospital is facing a very big shortage of paramedical staff. They are able to hire doctors, they are able to hire nurses directly from the medical and nursing colleges, whereas there is no comprehensive center which is going to cater onto the need of the paramedical staff. So we thought it is going to be the right time for us to come in and pitch at this gap which is present in the market, take the people who have discontinued their education and train them on the minimum medical skills or minimum skills which are required in a hospital over a period of 7 to 10 weeks, so that the student after completion of the course is going to be able to perform simple procedures like recording the BP, recording the weight of a patient, recording the height of a patient, and also will be in a position to supply all the required equipment to the doctor or nurse in supporting the procedure. This course is devised in such a way that the student attends the classes every week for 5 days, and every day is going to be for about 4 to 5 hours. Half of this time is going to be catered into the theory classes which are done on an online mode, and we also have a coordinator who are going to explain the stuff which is coming on the video in the local language. Every topic, every bit of it is going to be repeated twice or thrice so that the student gains adequate knowledge required to the extent. And after the break, there are going to be sessions which are conducted on the lines of having a seminar, a mock session or a group discussion, so that the topic which is covered on that day is going to be revised 3 to 4 times, so that by the end of the 5 hours in the stay in the college or in the office, the student is going to be completely having the knowledge of what is expected to. And the very next day when they come back to the class, for the first 15 minutes are going to be catered into the revision, where small questions are going to be asked to understand their level of knowledge. Every week, that is on the last day, there is going to be a test which is going to cover all the subjects or all the topics which are started or explained from Monday through Friday. The curriculum is devised in such a way that we are not only looking at equipping the students with the theory, but also making them understand the professional attitude which is expected out of them in a hospital. They are supposed to support the patients and also the healthcare staffs in hectic conditions like an emergency, an accident. Everything in a hospital is an emergency. So these people should take minimum time to adapt themselves and also apply themselves. Throughout the course, there is going to be an undercurrent where we are going to explain the seriousness of their role in the hospital, the way they are supposed to adapt in different circumstances in the hospital, and they pass on the information or the seriousness or the professionalism of the hospital during their interaction with the patients. We hope that this effort is going to be fruitful and we will be able to bridge the gap which is present in the hospital and which is opening up in a very big way. Thank you and all the best.